If you're not putting an entire meal together when you're griddle cooking, in my opinion, you're really missing out because that's one of the conveniences of it as opposed to smoking foods. So here I'm using the Traeger Flatrock griddle that they sent over. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful ever since we received it. We've used it for about a year at this point. Sizzled up some griddled onions. You can get all the recipes for these things at SipBiteGo.com. I'm just here to inspire you with how they all come together. So diced up some chicken, put it on the grill with some oil and butter, along with some broccoli. It all came together. You can make fajitas with this. You could eat it as is. You could put all of these yummy things on top of a salad. I love to add avocado to almost every night's meal, so that goes on as well for a creamy finish. This is so yummy. Hit it with that cotija cheese, some fresh herbs, and these are ready to go in tacos or just eat it as is. Cheers, guys.